So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I told you I'd give you kind of an update once we got the metal put on the deck and kind of show you what it looked like, how things came out. We've got a couple little things left to finish up on it that they wanted to do. We're going to add some steps down off of this far end. Of course, they have a stairwell. Let me turn the camera. Coming down this side. But as far as how the yard kind of steps out over here, we thought about just adding just a short stairwell down, so that way if you wanted to kind of go out this side of the house, then that way you didn't have to go all the way down and back up, because she's got a garden and stuff out there also. But she's got quite a bit of stuff decorated out here yet. We've still got probably some electric and some other stuff to pull out here and add in some lights, maybe a ceiling fan or something. But came out pretty good overall. I can give you kind of a look from the top side. But like I said, I think they're pretty pleased with it. We got the gutter section all on. So we wound up actually bringing the gutter down so it didn't have kind of a goofy offset and come around the handrail. We actually wound up bringing it down and kind of hugged the post, came through the handrail, which I think came out pretty good. So that's pretty much. So the video stopped on me there again. I've been having some issues out of the memory card in this camera, so I don't know, I may need to switch it. But we appreciate you checking out the channel. We appreciate you you know, commenting, sharing the video, stuff like that. I know I've got a couple of new subscribers also, so I need to get those written down so I can get some other shout outs done. But you know, like I said, we appreciate you being here. We appreciate you checking the channel out, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care and have a good day.